Welcome to Fabrinet Israel. Fabrinet Israel specializes in advanced optical packaging, PCBA manufacturing, subassemblies, modules, precision sensors, and box build for a wide range of industries and applications. Fabrinet Israel is a division of Fabrinet, a global manufacturing services provider. Founded in 2000 and now with over 12,000 employees and divisions in Thailand, China, the US, the UK, and now Israel. We have been the trusted manufacturing partner to the world's most demanding OEMs for over 20 years. Located in Yokneam High-Tech Park, Fabrinet Israel can support your early-stage product development and manufacturing needs. We also offer a full suite of failure and materials analysis labs under one roof. Fabrinet Israel leverages the equipment, tools, and processes used by Fabrinet in all of its sites globally. Customers can rely on Fabrinet engineering support to develop advanced manufacturing processes that can be performed on-site or move swiftly and seamlessly to Fabrinet high-volume sites. A full suite of SMT capabilities using an ASM placement platform, multi-chip module, BGA, micro BGA, and flip chip. State-of-the-art equipment for solder paste inspection, AOI, and X-ray. Flying probe or functional test with engineering support for design for manufacturing and test requirements. All backed by full product traceability of each lot by process step via an in-house manufacturing execution software system. In addition to full SMT, we offer advanced optical packaging capabilities in a clean room environment that include die attach, eutectic and epoxy die bonding, ball and wedge wire bonding, flip chip, multi-chip module, underfill, seam sealing, automated adhesive dispensing, and passive and active alignment. Fabrinet Israel is proud to offer our partners access to industry-leading failure analysis labs right on site for fast, effective analysis and real-time engineering collaboration. Our dedicated staff and equipment can provide full life and stress testing support and act as an extension of your R&D labs. We offer a variety of advanced equipment to perform failure analysis as well as process and materials characterization, such as ionic contamination testing, viscosity testing, and thermal testing. Other equipment includes optical and precision microscopes, CSAM scanning, SEM EDEX, and FTIR for high-resolution images, and more. We are committed to supporting the Israeli high-tech industry. We have a proven track record for over 20 years with the dedicated processes and resources to support your early-stage development and become an extension of your R&D team. We invite you to come see us and learn more about Fabrinet Israel.